Yo, VIP. Let's kick it.
Rice, baby. No vanilla ice bit? Why? Alright, whatever. We'll pull it out in post. That's fine. Rice ain't just for meals, yo. It's for heels, yo. See, that's corny. That's corny. We should take that out. Leave the vanilla ice bit back. Alright. For all those bumps, bruises, sprains, and strains, the Rice Advice is primo for dealing with those soft tissue injuries. R stands for rest. Very important for any new injury. It's pissed off, it's aggravated. It needs to be left alone and hopefully get some sleep. The second letter's I, that's for ice. You get an injury, it's all hot, it's swelling, the blood's rushing to it, it hurts, it's upset. We gotta cool it off and deal with that inflammation. Every hour, ice 20 minutes on, 40 minutes off. C is for compression, okay? And I ain't talking about those compression pants dudes be wearing at the gym. Okay, those just help with chafing and make you look like Little John from Robin Hood Men in Tights.
What?
I'm talking about wrapping the injury with an ace bandage or something like that. That helps with the swelling and the inflammation. And finally, E is for elevation. Keep that limb high. Not too high though. Okay, we got Redman, Wiz Khalifa, Cheech and Chong, Patrick Stewart, Snoop Dogg, Tom Cruise. We want to keep it right at the level of the heart. Okay, this will help blood flow back to the heart and avoid pooling at the injury site. That's it, the Rice Advice in all its glory. Now if you'll excuse me, dinner calls. You sure about the vanilla ice bit? Oh no, I thought it was good. I got dance moves. I think we should. I think we should. I think we should. You sure? I think we should.
Go ninja, go ninja, go. Go ninja, go ninja, go. Go ninja, go ninja, go. Go ninja, go ninja, go.
Are you looking for better sleep? Then check out Rest More. It is an all-natural sleep aid available at www.buyrestmore.com.